Welcome to Ikshu and Deshu Playhouse. Hi, Ikshita here. Deshna here. Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Today we are doing water experiment. Let's go. For this experiment, I'm gonna use 7 cups. Right here. Now I'm gonna use 4 cups. Now we have to fill these 4 cups with water. Water, please. Here it is. Let's start filling. This red color in this cup. And yellow in this cup. Now I will mix this blue in this glass. And now purple Deshna will mix. Mix. Yes. Good, that's good. I will mix it. Yeah, we are done with these. And now time to put empty glasses between them. So one here. One here. Now I'm gonna take tissue paper and fold like this and fold like this and like this and put it like this. Put all these papers. It's night time now, it's 7:58. We have to wait till morning and see what will happen. Goodbye. Ikshu and Deshu, come here. Come Deshu. I'm going to open your eyes. Yay! Wow! It's rainbow colors.
But in the night you put only 3 colors, right?
Four.
Four colors, right?
4.
How is 7?
It's a magic.
Magic. So now it's 7:27 in the morning and it was almost 12 hours to happen like this. What is this color, Deshu? Red. This one? Orange. This one? Yellow. This one? Green. This one? Blue. This one? Indigo. This one? Purple. Good job. From this experiment, we learned one more thing, that if we mix red and yellow, it will get orange, and if we mix yellow and blue, it will get green, and if we mix blue and purple, it will get indigo. Finally, it became rainbow colors. If you like my experiment, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye, Rainbow!